everyone went right, I was the one who walked left. My love for music started at home. I grew up in a family where we started our day with music and we loved listening to the radio at that time. So we'd go to school and have this conversation with our friends and be like, oh, we had this party. And then, yeah, we were singing and they'd be like, wow, really? You guys sing in your family? And we'd be like, don't you? The harp happened by accident. I wanted to do like either film production or music. I think it was when I went to college in Bangalore because I joined our college choir and we had a huge college choir. I'm talking about nearly 100 people in that choir. But then I didn't want like a situation of looking back and saying what if, and I hate regretting things.
Travel through the
Empowerment for me is walking against the wind. 2 weeks prior, it was just like this idea in my head. I was like, let's get a choir. And I remember I was going all out. I was putting in all the money that I have, practically went like broke. There were a lot of people who told me, this is not going to work out. Someone from my management team being like, are you sure you want to get like a choir in right now? And I said, let me just try. And boom, I got 13 girls to like back me up on stage. And I think after that was when I turned around and I was just like, holy shit, like this is...
my tears to fill my heart.
It's fun, extremely emotional, a hustle, big challenge, but very rewarding. Is that 5? Yeah, that's 5. Just being able to trust yourself, you know, and trust your inner circle. And for me, that is like me keeping my sanity and maybe relevance as well.
Treading.
It is important for me to make a good first impression, just from the standpoint of people just being your authentic self when you meet them, being accepting of who they are, listening a little more. From there, you can take a relationship anywhere, like be it a friendship or be it, you know, a work relationship. A lot of people expected me to behave like a certain way. Let girls be girls.
Dance with me through the night.
My first makeup product would have to be Kajal. I think I appreciated a physical aspect of myself for the first time. And then I was just like, wow, I have nice eyes. One of the storytellers happened to be there and she was like, that's what you're wearing? And I was like, yeah, why? And then she's like, but you're a harpist, you should wear this long dress. And I was just like, wow. It's a stereotype that I just don't like. People expect me to do it, I don't do it. Everyone wants to carry my harp for me. I don't know if they would ever help a guy. Makeup for me makes me feel good. And I think that's the bottom line. And from there comes the confidence and everything else. But yeah, I don't know why boys don't wear makeup. I was mischievous, a little boisterous, very active. It was one of those like life gives you lemons, let's just make a ton load of like lemonade. That's my lemonade. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's a hustle. So